Hi folks, this is Rick from Rick's Review, coming to you from an undisclosed location. What I'm going to do for you today is I'm going to hook up a GFCI. That's going to be an outlet that's rated to go into restrooms and to go into garages. I'm going to hook up Romex to it, and I'm going to show you how to do it safely without getting shocked. We don't want anyone to get shocked. So stay with me and I'll go get it. Okay folks, let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you what I have. I have needle nose pliers, I have Phillips head screwdriver, I have a flat head screwdriver, just in case you want to use that. I'm probably going to use this. And I have a set of wire strippers. I have the outlet, I have Romex. This Romex is yellow. Generally, yellow is used in most homes, but in some it is actually white. White is going to give you one additional line, and it's usually red for an on-off switch or whatever you want to use it for. But generally, you're going to see yellow in most homes, most modern homes at least. This is what the inside of your outlet is going to look like, except the line will be sticking out from the inside of your outlet. If you're just going to pull your old outlet out and replace the new outlet, your line's already going to have these bends in it inside your Romex cable, and it'll make it a lot easier for you. So let's assume that's what you're going to do. If not, what you'll have to do is you'll actually have to bend it. Now you want to bend it about 1/4 inch. You don't want to go much more than 1/4 inch. Give it about 1/4 inch bend on your straight line. Now, not all of them are going to turn the same way. You'll see that in just a second. Let's go ahead and get this done. Okay, what you want to do is you want to hook up the black line to the copper. You want to hook up the white line to the silver side. Okay, black to copper and white to silver. Let me go ahead and hook up the black, kind of turn this upside down to make sure that the screw sticks out. Okay, and let's see if we can turn this over. Okay, got that in. Okay, as you see, I have the line in. Now, this copper line has to come in and curve around the direction the screw is going to turn. If it doesn't curve in and around the direction the screw is going to turn, you're going to wind up to pull that line and bend it back out. So I am going to turn it clockwise. If you notice, I am turning it clockwise, and I am tightening it down quite snug. Doesn't have to be extra snug. You don't want to strip your screw. You want to tighten it nice and snug. And if you notice, mine says WR. I like to make sure it's at the top. So when you do this, make sure you do it with the top screws. Top screws on both sides. Okay. Let's go ahead and go with the yellow or the white one now. And see if we can get this white one to go in there and cooperate with us. Okay, white one cooperated with us. Let me go ahead and tighten this one down. Alright, that one's nice and snug as well. Both of them are nice and snug. Okay. The last one we're going to hook up is going to be the unshielded to the green. You're going to have to bend this a little bit here. Okay, and let's tighten this one down. Okay, got it nice and tight. Okay. Now that all of them are tight, again, you're going to assume the line's sticking out of here. Your Romex is sticking out of here. You want to go ahead and push it all back in there. And these screws here, you want to tighten up into here. Put it on flat. Put on your faceplate. Usually it's one screw right here in the middle. Tighten your faceplate. You're good to go. Now, before you get started on all this, it is absolutely imperative that you flip that breaker that is putting power to this. If you're not sure where that's at, you might want to hire an electrician to get this done. If you're confident and you can do this without getting shocked, go ahead and get it done. It is that simple. It's 3 wires. Again, black to the copper side, white to the silver side, and the unshielded to the green. It's that simple. Black to the copper, white to the silver, and green to the unshielded. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them down below, and I will answer them for you as soon as I can get to you. If this video today brought you any kind of value, and if you found this interesting, please like, subscribe, click that little bell. I do these videos to help you out. So remember, if you can save a few bucks, save a few bucks.